Look, it's still pulled out. Look. To touch it. What the f***? Yeah, dashcam. What?
Yeah, not bad.
Oh, no beige.
Yes. Whoa! Jesus Christ. Day from 9 till 3,
Yeah.
and then I've got about 3 things I need to get done between 3 and finish. You wanted to go that way anyway, so what was the point?
Whoa, fucking hell, mate. This. Come on, man.
The weirdo, you crackhead!
No.
These suitcases, it's not even classed as cabin size, it's classed as vanity size.
Really?
So I was clicking medium and I was like, what's going on? And when I measured, everywhere's
Another perk in a there's a perk in the BYD.
That's it. You need a good sized wall.
Exactly. Well, she showed me
Oh,
the
is
wall.
he gone? Oh yeah, he's gone through. Oh, and there's going to be another one to go with him.
Here comes his mate.
And there's a third. Well, this one's it. Oh, no, but he's going to be a dick.
Oh, nice one, mate.
What are you doing? It's a one way, mate.
That's it. Oh.
Blooming hole in the road there. Full of water, like a little lake.
Grassy, don't we?
Yeah.
And then I was going to have a look for a mouse, wasn't I?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then.
Yeah.
This guy's having a. There's a guy in the lane next to me. He's on his mobile phone. And he's shouting all kinds of swear words and obscenities into his phone. There he goes. There goes Mr. Angry. Angry about something.
There's another idiot.
Twat. What an idiot!
Download him as well.
Yeah, no, what an idiot!
And a Chevrolet from 1986. And a loud and proud TVR Griffith. Right, we have a Morgan three-wheeler. This is one of the later generation with a Harley Davidson engine, but still the same V-twin hanging out the front. Here we have a Ford Mustang V8 5 litre. A somewhat decorated Lexus. And a Nissan GTR. And a very nice Bentley Continental. Beautiful. Not sure I'd want one, but certainly a lovely car.
It's a very nice car.
Oh, make your mind up. He can't make his mind. He's not even indicating. No.
People stand full square behind Israel. We've seen footage.
Don't fancy using your indicator? No? Alrighty. Electric car. Oh, it does work! Huzzah! You must have heard me.